In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your LinkedIn profile might seem dead and provide practical steps to give it a lively boost. Let's start by heading over to LinkedIn, which you can do by opening your browser and typing in linkedin.com. Once you're there, you're going to need to log in. You have several options for this. Use your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to verify your account via a code sent to your phone, which is a great way to maintain security. Now that you're logged in, let's tackle the concept of a dead LinkedIn profile. Essentially, this is a profile that isn't gaining much traction or engagement and really isn't doing much for you career-wise. To revive it, start by focusing on your profile's key components, beginning with your headline. Your headline should be strong and compelling, something that will catch the eye of anyone who stumbles across your profile. Next, ensure your profile picture is professional. Remember, first impressions count and a good photo can set the right tone. After adjusting your headline and profile picture, let's move on to a significant segment, your About section. Here, you want to craft a narrative about who you are professionally, highlighting key achievements and succinctly framing your professional identity. While you're at it, it's crucial to get involved with the LinkedIn community. Engaging with content by posting updates, commenting on posts, or simply liking what others share can dramatically increase your visibility. Moving along, examine your profile for missing information or outdated details. You want to avoid having a generic profile. Instead, make sure you fill out every section thoroughly, keeping it updated with your latest roles and achievements. Another critical tip is to list your skills. A comprehensive list of skills will not only highlight what you're good at, but also increases your chances of receiving endorsements, which can bolster your credibility. To do this effectively, make sure you add relevant skills to each job listed in your experience section. This level of detail helps portray you as knowledgeable and skilled in your field, enhancing your profile's appeal both to recruiters and peers in the industry. As a final touch, seek endorsements from colleagues or connections to further substantiate your highlighted skills. By focusing on these areas, you can transform your LinkedIn profile from static and lifeless to dynamic and engaging. With these strategies in place, you'll not only boost your LinkedIn visibility, but also maximize the platform's potential for expanding your professional network. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to put these tips into action right away.